Hello techies, this is Muthu. Welcome back to my channel. I believe everyone doing good. Today's topic will discuss about or read the specific text from the email body. This use case has been useful to very large scale about the data manipulations and extraction. When we build the use case, we need to step into the few things. Number one is configure the email. Number two is configure the AI builder. The next one is write the prompt. And one is manipulate the text to get the values. Let's get started with this live example now. Here I have landed into the Power Automate Cloud. I'm going to create a new use case. Here I'm going to configure the get email. The from address I'm going to configure my email ID. I'm leaving remaining parameter as it is. Here I'm going to configure one. So advanced. Here I'm going to filter the subject as access code. Next actions I'm going to configure the AI builder. Here I'm going to use create text with GPT using a prompt. I'm going to use a extract. I'm going to configure the email body. I'm going to create the prompt like extract one-time access code. Next, I'm going to create the compose. Here, I'm going to use the text which we created the before action. When I come to the email, I have created 4 different emails with the subject of access code. As per business, I want to extract the specific values from the email body. Before that, I want to change the status mark as unread because I have configured the unread email from the get email. I'm going to save the flows. I'm going to run the flows now. Here the output will be coming the JSON format. Here I want to check the email, the values must be same. Yes, this is the correct value. So I want to check the other email. So I'm going to mark as read. So I'm going to mark as unread. So I want to extract the 67890. So I want to run the flows again. Now the value is returning 67890. I have the email body of the same value. So the bot extract the same. So this is the way we have to approach to extract the specific value from the email body.